Hey, hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing great. Today we are going to see how we can use Vega, the AI agent in the Webull app. So for that you need to open your Webull app in your phone or on web, anywhere it is available, either web or on phone. So from your phone, go to your assets, click on your middle button so that you will go to asset screen, and then under the assets you will find that AI position analysis. So that is our Vega that is available in Webull. So once you click on this, usually it will ask for agreement, but I already clicked on it, so it is not asking me to accept and share my portfolio with AI. So but in your case you will see that, okay, for now, as I already agreed, it is not asking me. So I just click on it to go through it. So our AI tool, the Vega, is thinking about our portfolio. Like, it is checking all the possibilities, like what are the risks of our portfolio, how is our portfolio is working, and whether it is aggressive portfolio or it is the um, very aggressive, mild aggressive, or stable assets it is having. So it will check all the detail analysis, and also it will check whether it is having any dividends. So all these detail it will show. Okay. So usually right now our AI is thinking and it is giving the details like this. So if you see that, right, usually the stable portfolios how it would be, and how the risk portfolios it is showing in two windows. So as our AI is showing and thinking about our portfolio, it is going back down usually when I am taking up. So that's why the screen is moving in between. So it is really showing that, stable and aggressive portfolios, and why it is matter, and what are the market rotation, and during the economics uncertainty our portfolio will get down, and these are, so it is giving the potential adjustment to consider. What it is saying is stable assets it is saying, and why it matters. So what it is saying is 30% of stable assets and 70% of growth kind of thing it is asking me to use for my portfolio. And it is giving all the considerations, see that, for your portfolio based on the risk you select, right? Based on that it will give you um, what kind of aggressive portfolio you can maintain. So all these details, so this is very helpful tool, this will help you a lot. Okay. And then it is also showing that what are the aggressive assets in your portfolio, how to mitigate the risk and market rotation, all the details it is giving, and it is very helpful tool. And hopefully you will utilize that tool for your portfolio. And not only, from Vega will work from here, it is also um, work from your watch list. So now you click on watch list, so you will see the watch list. So these are all my watch list, and I'm just clicking on AI summary. So it is analyzing all my watch list, all my tickers in my watch list. So it is showing that CRM is having earnings tomorrow, and VGT and bond, these are all gave the dividends, and Snap, Meta, Google. So all the details which stock related news and what are the current ongoing activities it will show. And so in the AI analysis it will show for that particular day. So see that how it is important. Okay. So all the stock in your watch list it will automatically consider what are the risk for that day, and what are the tasks, what are the um, stocks that go up and down for the day, and all the details it will give. See how much easy it is, and you can utilize Vega like anything, man. And then it is not also shows your AI analysis, but also daily summary. So where it will show all your tickers are having how many buy ratings, sell ratings for that day, and it will get from different websites, and it will show in one quick summary also. So see that how much it is good, and um, it is very much important and very good, to see all the things at one, and including your portfolio and also for your watch list, and so it will give great results, man. It really helps. It really help us a lot to find out what are the stocks that we can check for the day, and how the watch list is working, what are the news are there. So like this, the Vega will help us a lot. So hope you guys are enjoying this, and you guys also can see in your um, phone or in your web app. Okay, so you can also see that what are the stock sell for that day in your in your watch list, and you will see all the details, man. It is really helping. And also go to news tab now, you will see all the news related to that tab, and like that this AI summary will help us a lot. Hope you guys also will utilize this tool, and it's really helping me to find out something um, for that day. And also you can ask any question to Vega. See what I am asking here. I am asking Vega, can I buy a CRM ahead of earnings? So it is thinking about that question now. So let us see the results after that, and it is thinking that what are the general um, stuff, like whether the stock is going down or not, and what are the analyst ratings now, and also other details like what is the PL analysis, and all the details it will check. General analysis, and also it will give you the required details. See that what it is saying. Oh, we cannot provide the specific recommendations. So AI Vega is saying that it cannot tell you buy the stock before ahead of earnings, but it is saying that it can give general analysis. So it is saying that I don't have knowledge on tell you that whether the stock will go down or not, but I can tell you that a general analysis. That's what it is showing. Okay, so you can find out the general analysis for the stock. Like that, it is helping a lot, right? So you can ask any question to Vega. It will give you that um, results. So for CRM, it is saying that there are strong bullish signals and analyst recommendations, um, but it is up to you. Mm. So that's what it is saying. So all the decisions are based on us. So no AI can will help, but it will give us the generic statements and generic analysis that help us. So please use yoga in your analysis. Thank you all.